Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today we are on our day 38. I can't believe we are almost going to finish 42 days of our quarantine home workouts. I hope you're enjoying the workouts and keeping up at it no matter what. So today we have a yoga sequence for your abs, your core, your arms. So it's gonna work your entire upper body, wherein we'll be working on also detoxing your body. Okay, so we are going to work on our entire upper body and also work on our digestive system. So let's begin. Lie down on your back. Keep your knee bent, both the knees bent. Now tuck your stomach in. Take your navel in towards your lower back and hold. Exhale, release. Tuck the navel in again. It's a very minute movement but not very difficult, and release. Now open your both the legs forward and repeat the same movement. So I'll try to show you the movement. Tuck your navel in and release. So when you tuck the navel in, your stomach goes towards your lower back and your lower back should stay grounded on the floor. That is really important. Okay, this is called core engagement. So now let's engage our core. Exhale, release. We'll do this 10 times. Okay, again exhale, we'll do this 5 times. Again engage your core. 3. Exhale, release. Now take your both the hands back and engage the core again. Release. Engage the core again, last time, and release. Now slowly raise your legs up at 30 degree, and again engage your core. We'll hold this for 10 counts. 1, 2, lower back touching the floor. 3, 4, 5, lower back touching the floor. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release. Now fold your knees in and hug your knees into your chest. Keep your head straight up. Now keep your head up next to your knee. Now open your both the legs forward, keeping your head up straight at 30 degree. 1, and again take inside. 2, hug inside. 3, hug in. 4, hug in. 5, open the legs forward, hug in. If by now your neck is paining, you can go down. Open the legs forward at 30 degrees. 6, hug the knees in. Open forward. 7, hug the knees in. Open forward. 8, hug the knees in. Open forward. 9, last time, hug the knees in. Open forward. 10, and slowly take the head down and relax. Now keep your both the knees folded in. Okay, now keep the knees bent only. Take your hands behind the head. No, knees bent like on the floor. Yes. Now with exhalation you have to come up just like we do in a crunch, and you have to make the sound ha. Okay, with every exhale you have to make the sound ha, and keep your core engaged. Ready? Start. 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 and down, 4 and down, 5 and down, 6 and down. Now take your hands back, straight back. 7. Come straight up as much as possible. Make the sound. Now curl the spine and go down, vertebrae by vertebrae, lower back. Slowly, slowly, you have to go down slowly. Okay, 8. Exhale, come up, make the sound ha. Go down slowly, first your lower back, then your middle back. Controlled movement, try to go down slowly. Exhale, come up, 9. And slowly go down vertebrae by vertebrae, lower back, middle back, upper back and upper neck. Okay, and last time exhale and come up, make the sound ha, and very slowly go down vertebrae by vertebrae. Okay, now last time come up, we have one more addition to this. Come up with the sound ha. Now take your right hand on right side and twist back, right hand in the air, hand stays in the air, both the hands stays in the air at shoulder level. Now twist on the left side, twist on right side, twist on left side, and very slowly controlling your core, your spine, go down. Excellent, very slow. The slower you go, the more you work your core. So this was a great warm up for your core, I believe. Now let's take a vinyasa. Come in plank position, turn and go in plank. Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha, exhale Adho Mukha and stay in Adho Mukha Svanasana for 5 breaths. 1, 2, take the head in, push the shoulder away from the ear. 3, 4, 5, and now slowly come in forearm plank. Keep your forearm down one by one, and let's stay here. 1, we'll stay here for 10 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stomach tight, 8, 9, 10, and relax in child's pose for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's take forearm plank again. Come in forearm plank again and go for hip twists in forearm plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now go in child's pose again. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now lie down on your back. Keep your both the legs straight, extended forward. Now take your hands up, or if you don't have much space, you can keep it on side. So you have to exhale and come all the way up and touch your toes. Okay, let's start. Exhale, come up. 1, and slowly go down. Exhale, come up. 2, Slowly go down. Exhale, come up 3. Slowly go down. Exhale, come up 4. Slowly go down. Exhale, come up 5. Slowly go down. We'll do 5 more. Exhale, come up 6. Slowly go down. Exhale, come up 7. Slowly go down. Exhale, come up 8. Slowly go down. Exhale, come up 9. Slowly down. Last time, exhale, come up 10. And very slowly go down. Relax. Now slowly raise your both the legs up at 90 degree. Now both the legs will stay at 90 degree, okay? Now you have to raise your head up and touch your toes with your hand. Raise your head up, start. 1, the head stays up throughout. Start. 1, 2, don't go down, 3. So we are going to tap 3 counts together. Okay? Start. This was 1 time. Now try to tap 3 counts together. Start. 1, 2, 3. We'll do this 2 more times. Raise the legs up again at 90 degree. Try not to go down and tap. Start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and last time. I know your core is burning, but let's do this. Last time, try to tap your toe. 1, 2, 3. And that was a great core work. Now let's take one vinyasa. Turn in plank position. Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha and stay in Adho Mukha for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slowly come in plank and lie down on your stomach. We'll go for Triyanka Bhujangasana. So keep mat distance gap between your feet. Now inhale and raise your upper body up. Turn from right side and look towards your left heel. Hold. Now twist on other side and look towards the right heel. Slowly go down. Okay, now come on all fours. Let's work on our arms. Okay, now protract your shoulder and hold for 5 breaths. So what will you do? You will, yes, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. This same engagement will keep in plank. 5 and come in neutral position. Now take the same position in plank. So keep your shoulders protracted. Just slowly raise your legs up. Upper body remains straight. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now release. Yes, rest for a while. We'll repeat plank. Okay, let's take plank position again, but this time we're not holding it. So take plank position and go to Chaturanga. Lift up. So you can go all the way down. All the way down, keep the body all the way down and come up again in plank. Again go for Chaturanga and up. Last time go for Chaturanga and come up in plank and rest in child's pose. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lie down on your stomach. Palms next to the chest. Now 3 times we are going to push ourselves up in Chaturanga. So push from the floor and come up in Chaturanga. Hold. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, and now let's go in downward dog and hold for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now walk forward slowly till your palm without bending your knee and come to Samasthiti. Slowly rolling your spine, come up. Now let's start with Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, come to front of the mat. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward, grab your ankle, head to knee. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, walk back to plank, don't jump, walk back. Show walk back variation. Now go all the way down for Chaturanga. We are not doing Chaturanga, we are going all the way down. Put the feet down. Now we are going to go for Sphinx pose. So keep your forearms down and go for Sphinx pose. That is also called Low Bhujangasana. Inhale, lift your upper body up. Exhale down and go for downward dog. Shut, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, and let's stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now walk forward one by one and come in Uttanasana. Head inside. Slowly come all the way up and Samasthiti. We'll repeat this 2 more times. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, walk back to plank. Go for Chaturanga like we did before, all the way on the floor. And now push yourself up in Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly walk forward till your palm. Sapta, inhale, look straight. Exhale, fold forward, Ashtau. Nava, inhale, come all the way up, look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. Now last one, we'll do full Surya Namaskar A without modifications. You can continue to do the modifications though. Ready? Start. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward, grab your ankle, head to knee. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, bend your knee, look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Ashta, toe, exhale, fold forward. Now inhale, come all the way up, look where the thumbs meet, come back to Samasthiti. So that was your routine for your abs, your core and your arms. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure to have you. I hope you enjoyed the routine. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Namaste.